As a teenager, it's great that you're looking to acquire in-demand skills to land freelance gigs. Here's a step-by-step ultimate guide to help you get started. Step 1. Identify in-demand skills. Research popular freelance skills and jobs on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, LinkedIn, and Glassdoor. Some in-demand skills for teenagers include graphic design, digital marketing, social media management, content writing, web development, and video editing. Step 2. Choose your niche. Select a skill that aligns with your interests, strengths, and availability. Consider the following. How much time and effort are you willing to invest? Do you enjoy creative work or analytical tasks? Are you comfortable with technology and coding? Step 3. Learn the basics. Find free or affordable resources to learn the fundamentals of your chosen skill. Online courses like Coursera, Udemy, edX, and YouTube tutorials. Tutorials and guides like Canva Design School for graphic design, HubSpot Academy for digital marketing, and Google Analytics Academy for web development. Books and ebooks can also be found at your local library or online. Step 4. Build your portfolio. Create a portfolio that showcases your work. Create a website or blog using platforms like Wix, Weebly, or WordPress. Share your projects on social media and freelance platforms. Collaborate with friends or family members on projects. Step 5. Set your rates. Determine your hourly rate based on your skills, experience, and market demand. Research competitors' rates on freelance platforms. Consider your target audience and the value you provide. Start with a lower rate and adjust as you gain more experience. Step 6. Create a professional profile. Establish a professional online presence. LinkedIn profile including your portfolio and skills. Personal website or blog with your portfolio and contact information. Freelance platform profiles like Upwork and Fiverr. Step 7. Network and promote. Connect with potential clients and promote your services. Attend industry events, conferences, or meetups. Join online communities and forums related to your niche. Share your work on social media and engage with potential clients. Offer free consultations or trials to attract clients. Step 8. Deliver high-quality work. Focus on delivering exceptional results to build a strong reputation. Set clear goals and expectations with clients. Communicate regularly and respond promptly to queries. Meet deadlines and exceed client expectations. Continuously improve your skills and knowledge. Step 9. Manage your time effectively. Balance your freelance work with school and personal life. Set realistic goals and schedules for each project. Prioritize tasks and focus on high-priority tasks first. Take breaks and practice self-care to avoid burnout. Step 10. Continuously learn and improve. Stay up to date with industry trends and best practices. Attend webinars, workshops, or online courses to improve your skills. Read industry blogs, articles, and books to stay informed. Network with peers and mentors to learn from their experiences. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful freelance teenager. Remember to stay focused, persistent, and committed to your goals.